Hi guys, hope everyone is okay. Just out on my weekend walk this Saturday morning, and it got me thinking what nature does for me. So here are my 3 things that nature does for me. Number 1, I would say, helps deal with stress. You know, life can be hectic. Come out here, clear your head. No, you're not going to be disturbed. Might just come across a dog walker every now and then, but apart from that, you know, whether that's listening to the birds sing, which a few are doing now, or listen to a waterfall, or anything in between, just find it very calming. Nature is honest, isn't it? It's hard to get that in real life. Number 2, I would say, helps me stay active, because as much as I love nature, and I also like slobbering out a big bag of chocolates or whatever. So doing this kind of stuff balances that out. So thanks nature. Number 3, I'd say, helps me deal with low mood, which I'm sure we all experience at some times. But I know all I have to do is put on my old boots, put on my old bag, something to eat, something to drink, and set off. And I know by the end of it, my head will be clear. Some people do yoga, some people meditate. I suppose this is my form of meditation. So yeah, they were my 3 ways as how nature helps me. Number 1, dealing with stress. Number 2, staying active. And number 3, helps deal with a low mood. What are yours 3, people? I'm sure if I thought about it, there could be 5 plus. But yeah, quick little video. Hope you enjoyed. Planning to do a little trip away next week, so that should be fun. Until then, thanks for watching another video. Take care guys, see you then.